Fucking shit, bro. It is fucking cold. I wonder if you could zoom over there. No? That shit work?
Yeah.
Really?
Zoom out.
Like all the way to the yellow thing? Oh, that's sand looking. Or is that like a house?
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, we out. We just climbed that. Down there. Somewhere down there.
You tired?
No.
Whoa.
Oh, careful, I'm gonna do.
I think it's hot. It is hot.
It is hot. You want the hat?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
You want water? This is cool.
Where? There.
Right?
Yeah.
That's a perfectly circle shape. Rock.
Literally, yeah. That's cool. Oh my god.
Look at the kids inside.
Flightless bird family that we have here at Six Flags. Emus are pretty cool because they're the only bird with a calf muscle. Tigers are pretty cool. They're what's known as triple apex predators, so they're pretty fast runners, excellent swimmers, and sometimes good tree climbers. Tigers are also immensely strong and powerful. They can bring down animals much larger and heavier than themselves, and they can do so safely. These guys are the largest marsupials in the world. Marsupials are animals that carry their babies in pouches, kind of like a built-in baby carrier. They can stand 6 feet tall. Combine that with a 3-foot long tail, you got yourself a 9-foot kangaroo.